So, how do you make your home inviting for buyers, figure out a perfect price, and let all the interested parties know it's for sale and on the market? Stay tuned for part 2 in the series on how to sell a home as we explore staging, marketing, and social media coming up next. Hi folks, my name is Scott Spiker and I work with Front Door Realty here in Vancouver, Washington. Thanks for visiting this channel where I go over living, exploring, and enjoying this corner of the Pacific Northwest. I also touch on home buying, selling, maintenance, and the occasional DIY house project. In this second episode of the Sell a Home series, we will dive into staging your home using social media and online marketing to promote your property. With staging, you need to start with the 3 Ds, which are declutter, depersonalize, and declean. With higher priced homes, a professional stager can be of great value. Even if you don't have a budget for full staging revamp, many professionals will do a general consultation for an affordable fee, giving you some great ideas. Even basic staging can be done by you and your listing agent. First, get rid of any excess and thoroughly clean. Minimize knickknacks and personal items such as family photos and heirlooms. Keep walls and highly visible areas mostly clear. I tell clients to plan on storing a third to at least a half of all your stuff into a garage or short-term storage unit. Even too much food in the pantry and too many glasses and dishes and cupboards can make spaces feel too small. Everyday appliances such as toaster ovens and blenders, even if you use them regularly, should be stored while your home is on the market. The whole idea here is to create a psychological space for buyers to be able to see themselves in. If areas lack consistency and cohesiveness, you can go to the home goods store near Vancouver, Washington at Jansen Beach for affordable matching accents like lamps, towels, and floor mats. Simple things like a set of kitchen and bathroom towels and a welcome doormat dedicated to just showings and open houses will go a long way to making your home look inviting and friendly while providing aesthetic continuity throughout the home. Even closets can be key in providing an adequate sense of space, so keep garments to a minimum by having only the current season's clothing at hand. Also keep in mind first impressions are lasting, so create an inviting entryway with a couple of small plants or other accent items. And be sure the lawn is mowed and the path to the front door is clear. Next is to establish values and a proper price point using a CMA. CMA is comparative market analysis and looks at other similar properties that have sold in your immediate region recently and uses that information to come up with an ideal price for your home. Think top dollar someone in your price point will pay while not waiting too long for the first offers to roll in. Too long on the market and buyers see your home as an overpriced place, which generally requires a price adjustment later and the seller ending up with less than what they would have gotten if they originally priced it correctly. Underpriced, and it could end up selling for less than actual value, although in certain price points this can create a bidding war. Either way, be sure to request letters of pre-approval or pre-qualification before accepting any offers. That way you are assured offers are backed up by a reputable lender. In the event of a cash buyer, be sure to request current copies of a bank statement as proof of funds. A good listing agent will have all the tools to find recently sold comps that are in very similar neighborhoods and close to the same square footage, style, and year. Depending on sales for your area, you may find several really close comps, or you may have to do some refinements if the only available comps are just a bit different. Around 90% of home buyers are doing their shopping on the internet, so visuals are super important. Not just photos, but video as well. Here at Front Door Realty, we moved all of our previous print media budget to social media and the web. Currently, during the pandemic, buyers are using video to virtually tour homes of potential interest and tally a short list of properties they are super serious about. Most will then want to see their top picks in person before the final purchase, but not always. There have been Many times over the last few years where people, typically from out of town, never actually stepped inside until after the deal was done. Not exactly something I would normally recommend, but if you don't have a choice, it can still work. Photography is still the foundation for proper representation, but be sure to consider aerial imagery as well. It's great for properties that benefit from a slightly higher angle of view and homes with large yards or acreage. Also consider getting a video walkthrough. I usually do them as though I'm leading a buyer through the property while highlighting various characteristics. Videos don't have to be long or elaborate. 2 to 3 minutes of well-edited footage will usually do the trick. Most brokers should have a place for all this media, starting with a local database or Realtors Multi-Listing Service, also known as the RMLS or sometimes just MLS. Then it's on to other home buying websites and social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and others. Working with a good listing agent will put you at the top of market value and position your home in premier online resources that house shoppers frequent. Printed flyers are also a handy marketing tool and can be placed outside in a rainproof box as part of an overall home front sign. They're also good as handouts during open houses, and digital versions can be emailed to potential clients as well. When I make my flyers, I design them with a dominant image in mind, usually a kitchen view, living room, or attractive exterior view surrounded by a few smaller images showcasing other rooms and unique details. A small amount of copy is including outlining key benefits and highlights with the appropriate contact information displayed prominently. If everything's done right, you'll likely get offers pretty quickly, and in a place like Vancouver, Washington, if you are in a decent neighborhood and priced accordingly, you may get multiple offers escalating the final price for your home. Such is the market currently because of low inventory, increased popularity, and super low interest rates. A good listing agent will be able to coordinate multiple offer situations to your advantage while keeping stress to a minimum and ensure you get top dollar. They can also help coordinate contract formalities like state-required property disclosures and help negotiate inspection, finance, and other contingencies. If you found this video to be of interest and value, be sure to check out the other videos in the Sell a Home series. Until then, stay safe, and I will see you in the next episode.